Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gillian and this video is going to be awesome. We have my beautiful friend Elaine here. Hey Elaine.
Thanks girl, nice to be here.
Yeah, nice to have you. So Elaine is going to show us how to make a beautiful raw vegan carrot cake. It looks insane good, and how I first saw this carrot cake was Elaine recently did 30 days raw vegan, a 30-day raw vegan challenge, and it totally changed her life.
Yes.
So she was making the most gourmet, incredible meals, sending me these pictures, so we were inspired to create this recipe video.
Yes, I couldn't believe it. I did 30 days raw. I've been plant-based since 2010, so about 12 years. And I found going raw a lot easier, cheaper, and my grocery bills were less expensive than it was just being plant-based.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
And like, how did you feel eating like a raw carrot cake versus like if it was a regular carrot cake?
Fine.
Yeah.
It had the nice topping on it. It had the carrot, the nutmeg flavors in the base. It was way better. I didn't have that, oh, I need to sit back and, you know, chill out for a while after eat something like that.
Exactly, right? The thing is with the raw foods, you feel so good after, and even the gourmet foods are so satisfying. I swear, like the raw desserts are even better than the typical.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So Elaine says, like she was saying, this book changed her life, right?
It did. I've had this book for some time. I've had all kinds of raw books for a couple of years. I've always wanted to try it, but I've never been challenged to do it. So there it is, right? And actually, when I was plant-based, it took me forever to make meals. I was making these gourmet things, and it would take like 2 hours. This book saved my life. Raw vegan, plant-based, 5 ingredients in 15 minutes. I was having dinner a lot faster than I was before.
Yeah, see, that's the thing. I think there's a big misconception. People think the raw food takes so much time, but it's quick. It's so quick. Yeah, so that's great. I will link this book down below as well for anybody who's interested. It's not my book, but we want to give credit, of course, where credit is due. And yes. Elaine says this has changed her life, and it's an awesome book, so go grab it if you want. The link is below. So let's get right into this amazing recipe.
So everything's already measured out, so just for video purposes. But what we're going to do is create the base for the carrot cake.
So how long do you think it typically makes to make a dish like this? Because I don't usually make amazing dishes like this.
15 minutes.
Yeah, wow, incredible.
It's incredible. Okay, so just start off with some walnuts.
Okay.
We can put the recipe and the ingredients and the measurements down below, but just for this purpose. Then we've got some pitted dates.
So this is a food processor, right?
It is, yes. Nutmeg, cinnamon. What we want to do is we just want to pulse this so it's in like just a chopped consistency.
Okay.
So now we're going to add some shredded carrot. It's up to you, but you can add some coconut if you'd wish. And we're just going to blend that back up. So basically this is your base. So there's the base. So what you're going to do is pop that in the fridge for about 10 minutes, let it just firm up a little bit. So now we're going to do the topping for the carrot cake. So we've got the carrot cake bases in the freezer for just to chill for about 10 minutes.
Okay.
And we'll put the topping together. So we've got some cashews here. They've been soaked. The longer you soak cashews, the longer, the more of a cheesy fermented kind of taste is going to have at the end. So if you just soak them for an hour versus soaking them overnight, you're going to get a different consistency. It's going to be smoother.
And so much easier to digest too.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
You actually should always soak the nuts before you eat them.
Yeah.
So then we're just going to put a little bit of water in here just to make the vortex of the blender go. Then we've got some maple syrup, just a little, some lemon zest, lemon juice, and a little vanilla.
Okay, I just tried some of this topping. This is insane. This is so good. It's crazy. Wow.
And you just put some on top. Now that we've got the topping on them, you just want to plop them in the freezer for about, 10 minutes, half an hour, and then they're set.
That's great. And then for these, where did you get these, in case anybody's wondering?
You know what, just my local, it was actually a superstore, I think, in Georgetown, so.
Yeah, okay, cool. Okay, so we'll put them in the freezer, and then when they're done, we'll give them a bite. When they're done, we'll give them a try, and let you guys know how they are.
What we're doing now is we just brought them out of the freezer. They've been in there for about half an hour or so, right? So now just gently peel back the silicone mold.
Wow, that looks so good.
It could harden for a little bit more, but you get the idea.
That looks really freaking good. You guys, I wish you guys could see this in person.
And then what you can do is you can just top it with whatever your favorite berries are.
Wow, Elaine, you're so talented. It looks so good.
Right?
I'm dying to try this. The icing was just incredible.
So do it that way.
That's cute.
So what we can do is take a picture.
I can't. These little slices are like, this is
right?
so miniature and cute. I'm okay with my fork?
Absolutely.
You want me to take a little proper
No.
slice? Okay. I'm so excited to try this. Oh, good.
It is good. You can put mint leaves
Wow.
on top. You can put anything you want on the side, but
So good.
there's no way I would crave a store-bought carrot cake after eating this.
Tastes exactly like carrot cake. It's so good. Wow, okay. Well, we're going to go enjoy this or enjoy all of these. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'd love to know your guys' favorite recipe down below and some dessert recipes that you guys love. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Thanks, guys. Bye.